Your airplane just landed. Here's what happens behind the scenes. First, your airplane gets marshaled into the gate. As soon as it's parked, the ground crew connects the GPU to provide the airplane with electrical power, and places the chocks around the nose gear to prevent the airplane from moving. Then, the air stairs get deployed, followed by the flight attendant opening the door and connecting the handrails. Another set of stairs gets driven for the rear door. In the meantime, the fuel truck makes its way to the airplane, and finally, passengers are deboarding as the ground crew is preparing to offload the bags. Right after the first few bags start coming out, the pushback bar is being attached to prepare the airplane for its next flight, followed by one of the pilots getting out to check that the airplane is fit to fly, while the other one sets everything up inside the cockpit. Once all the passengers are off, new passengers are quickly boarded, and within 25 minutes, Ryanair has their airplane back in the air.